Vanderbilt's innovative SPC Wireless Intruder alarm range is designed to meet today's more mobile and demanding security environment. SPC Wireless is ideally suited to domestic and light commercial premises and allows you to install, monitor, connect remotely and control security devices easily and securely. Existing devices in the SPC wireless range include an RF module, PIR detector, curtain PIR detector, magnetic contact, smoke detector, RF remote, and panic button. New in Q3 2019 are a wireless plug repeater, wireless external siren and beacon, and wireless internal siren and beacon. The new devices are beautifully designed with clean lines and ergonomic features. They are easy to mount, pair, and configure. The two-way wireless technology is very cost-effective and reliable. Extended range. SPC Wireless has an impressive range, so fewer wireless detectors can protect a whole building. Extended battery life of 5 years, as well as an APS or automatic power save technology. Speed of installation. Just put the control panel up, wire to the mains, position the wireless detector, and you're good to go. Configurable over the air. All devices can be set up remotely, so no need for time-consuming site visits. The SPC Wireless Intruder alarm range powers the Internet of Things lifestyle, is easy to use, saves time and money, and has a future-proof guarantee. Watch out for our 3 new security products launching in Q3 2019. SPC Wireless, discreet in design, tasteful in nature. Contact Vanderbilt today for more information.